So Anthropic just shipped a real design product. It's not a toy at all. It is a full design tool. It's called Claude Design. Let's go into it. In order to find it, you actually have to go into claude.ai/design. But it's pretty cool. It's a full design tool, and you basically describe the thing. It builds the first version. You refine it through a conversation, and then when it's ready, you can do a few things. You can export, you can ship it straight to Claude Code, which is probably what we're going to do right now. So I already have a screenshot that I gave it. I asked it to create a digital audio workstation inside of the website that I already have. It's going to go through all of the different screenshots that I gave it. It asked me some questions, and then it created these files basically that I can go through. It created 2 pages and 3 scripts. You can view each one here in this sort of like file structure, or you can open it full screen. Like, how cool is that? You can also save the PDF. I believe it's powered by Claude Opus, which is their new, Claude Opus 4.7, which is their new model. I'm going to hand this off to Claude. This is what it shows you when you hand it off to Claude Code. It gives you a command, or you can download a zip. So it's tying in one conversation and sending it to your Claude Code. Okay, so I'm inside the Claude desktop app. We are in the Claude Code section. We're going to paste this in. I'm going to make sure that I'm using the latest 4.7, Opus 4.7. So basically what it's doing is it's reading all of these files that we got from design. So the HTML, there were 3 JavaScript files there. It's reading that as its context for this. So if you're using it with something that you already have built, and it's just one single design style change, then it's probably perfect for that. Let's try the preview and see if this is working. All right, so it added it as a new route. It actually did not interfere with what I already have. Okay. And it's actually doing stuff. Let's see. It works. So the knobs don't work. I have to actually add that into Claude Code, but it's actually added it really nicely, and it did not interfere with my existing code. So now I basically have this new route on my website, and I can work on top of this. It's isolated from everything else. And yeah, the connection was pretty seamless, I have to say. Now I want to actually do a new prototype, basically. Let's call it Vibe Style or something. We have 2 different options. We can have a polished mockup or some sort of rough wireframe. You already saw a mockup that I used on an existing project. Let's try now to do a wireframe. This is basically what it looks like when you first go in here. I love that you can start with a sketch, because I do a lot of sketching and they're kind of awkward, but it's kind of nice that I can now give it to Claude Design and it'll do it. But I have this prompt that I want to do. Build a landing page for a fake AI startup called VibeOS that makes me want to give it my credit card, dark mode, scroll animations, the works. We're going to do something simple like this and just give it that one prompt and see if it gives us any questions or if it just starts. So it looks here like it's asking us some questions. I love that it gives you all these little tips also at the bottom. Like, how random is that? All right, it's doing it. It's starting. So it's created the wireframe directions, but now it's actually building a landing page. So this is kind of going above and beyond. Is it actually going to build a landing page? By the way, for those of you that don't know, I'm Rachel from Witch Audio, and I like to test AI tools. And yeah, I've been experimenting with them. I want to show you what's actually worth using, and yeah, checking out anything new that comes out and building stuff with it. So It's pretty interesting. I love that you can start with this specifically with Claude Design. You can start from a text prompt, you can start from a screenshot, a document, or even your own code base. And it's really cool because you can refine it by talking to it and commenting inline or using some sort of sliders. We'll see if it actually gives us some here while we're waiting for the output. But it's pretty awesome that you can actually have this much control now and really have the full pipeline for building something at your fingertips. It's a crazy time that we're living in right now. This is nice. Okay, so this is the default. Let's scroll through it just to see what it's giving us. So we have our how it works. Is this something you can click? No. Sort of empty space at the bottom. Okay. Classic. This is a classic. We're not going to be too hard on it because it's still a research preview, so I'm sure that they're going to address these things when we have the official. Okay, so you can turn the tweaks on and off. Let's check out these color themes. Ooh, I kind of like this. And it's fully like interactive, like you can actually interact with this, which is wild. Oh, this is so cool. I mean, for designers, like this is the dream. For someone who doesn't know how to design, this is a dream come true, honestly. So same concept as before, you can export this as a standalone HTML. I think this is going to be really cool for creating like presentations on the go if you want to have an interactive presentation, because it gives it that sort of like professional value, and it's sort of like entertaining, and it's, you know, interactive, and people will pay more attention if they have something like that. So we'll definitely be using this a lot to create these presentations. I think I'm going to end the video here. I mean, if you are an indie builder, or if you're a product manager, and you are struggling with design, or even if you're someone who does have design background, like you already know the solutions that you want, this is going to be a quick tool for you to do this. So yeah, Claude Design is maybe the tool that I'm going to be using now as my first design step when I'm ready to start building a landing page or something like that. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.